Hi all. I know it's been a while, especially those of you that subscribed way back, almost 2019, 2020. At the time, I was still a high school math teacher trying to be a data scientist. Good news, I succeeded. I became a data scientist, and even further, I became an AI engineer. I'm coming back because I want to be able to share more of what I've been doing, more of what I've learned, so that hopefully you guys can all learn the same thing from me. And for those of you that don't know me, my name is John. I'm a former high school math teacher that became a data scientist and now an AI engineer. I'm hoping to expand this YouTube channel to be something where I'm essentially vlogging, but also like providing, insights from what I've learned through these experiences and just life in general. As I said in my description, I'm also a dad. So I'll be sharing, maybe some corny dad jokes here and there, along with other advice that correlates and actually is useful, even though it's not directly tech or AI, but will help support everything around that, and also just my own experiences and opinions as well. If that's what you like, hope you look forward to the videos that I'm going to have posting out soon. Thanks. Bye.